Here we are at the final question, question 5, and that asks, your potential customer is who?
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
What it requires is that you actually describe your target audience. So let's jump into this and have a look who a typical customer of Peak Estate Agents would be. So a typical customer would be someone who is thinking about selling their home. Another detail would be that it's someone who's selling their home in the Peak District and that they want to get the best price for their property and to feel confident that it's been sold by the right company. So when we put all of those 3 answers, and you don't need to write 3 answers, you can put 2 answers or you can put 4 answers, but you know, for this purpose that seemed to cover everything. So putting all that into one answer would look something like this. The answer is homeowners in the Peak District wishing to sell their property soon at the highest possible price. That really sums up who would do business with Peak Estate Agents. Okay, so that's it. That's the answer to question 5, and we've come to the end of the answers and questions section. And just to remind you that also in the resources you can get the Estate Agents 5 questions template, so you can look through everything that we've discussed in these videos and just to recap and refresh your mind. And then if you want to actually practice this on a blank template, I've also included that within the resources, so you can download it and fill in the details yourself and practice with other offline or online businesses. And it might be your business, it might be a customer's, or it could just be a fictitious business, and you make up the answers just to get into practice with what you're actually doing. And remember, there is a bonus video at the end of this section which shows you the finished estate agents video with the voiceover and everything. But you know, we won't concern ourselves with that yet. What we need to look at is this. We need to look at how to add your 5 answers to the script matrix. This is where the real magic happens. So in step 2, we're going to cover all of that in detail. So grab yourself a drink and get comfortable, and we'll get stuck in. I'll see you on the next video.